Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. Small business owners are being urged to embrace digital technology, especially artificial intelligence, if they want to compete on the global stage. Speaking at the National Commercial Bank SME conference recently, experts say digital technology is being used to bridge the gap, allowing even the smallest players to reach customers around the world and operate more efficiently.
So customer service is not just about answering problems and solving problems and answering questions. Service is all about retaining that customer, delighting that customer. And AI now gives you the opportunity to do that.
However, even as these experts push for the greater adoption of these AI tools, there's growing concern among entrepreneurs about whether Jamaica's workforce skills and digital readiness can support this transition.
When the internet came, persons were asking the same questions. Are we ready for the internet? The only difference is that AI is moving at an exponential rate, much faster than the adoption for the internet even took. And so we don't have a choice. But what's great about that is we have an amazing opportunity. And so my recommendation is to think about your business from a value perspective. Don't just jump in willy-nilly. Think about where you feel you need to get value. And then think through now, how can I use AI to assist me with this?
The global AI market is expected to grow to nearly US $3.6 trillion by 2034. The JSE index advanced by 2,138 points, while the junior market index declined by 4 points. The advancing stocks were led by ISP Finance Services, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Jetcon Corporation, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. The losing shares included Blue Power Group, G West Corporation Ordinary Shares, Epley Limited, Caribbean Cream, and Lasco Financial Services. 19 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.52. The pound is going for $220.24, while the euro is selling for an average $188.59. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.